tonight, in an exclusive sit-down interview, acting Ohio Attorney General Andy Wilson is opening up about the Vinton County child endangerment case involving those 16 kids. It's drawn national attention.
Wilson has spoken publicly about the case before, but in this one-on-one interview today, he responds to growing questions about misinformation, the conditions those children were living in, and whether this case is being wrongly tied to poverty or Appalachia. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson here now with this exclusive conversation. Karen.
Yeah, hey guys, a lot was said today. Wilson says this case is horrifying, criminal, and almost beyond comprehension. But he also says it's being misunderstood. In our interview, he made it clear this is not some far-reaching trafficking conspiracy, and he says it should not be used to stereotype families in rural Ohio communities. Instead, he says this was severe child abuse and neglect allegedly happening behind closed doors.
From above, the property looks quiet, isolated, tucked away in rural Vinton County. But investigators say what was happening inside this home was anything but normal.
I have been in some terrible places. I've been in places with flies all over the ceiling and roaches all over the floor and feces all over. I have never seen anything like this.
16 children ranging in age from 18 months to 18 years old were removed from the property. Investigators say they were found in a cramped 12 by 12 foot room, some severely sick and unable to communicate. The children's parents, Gary Siders Jr. and Elizabeth Siders, and grandparents, Gary Sr. and Christina Siders, each face 16 counts of endangering children.
This was an interfamilial thing. This wasn't a devil-worshipping human trafficking ring where you got to worry about the safety of your kids getting snatched up on the streets.
Ohio's acting Attorney General Andy Wilson says the big concern now is misinformation, especially on social media where rumors can spread faster than facts. He also pushed back on the idea that this case somehow defines rural Ohio.
You can't define child abuse and neglect to Appalachian Ohio.
Wilson says abuse like this is not limited to one part of the state, though he acknowledges in rural areas, isolation may make it easier to hide. And he was especially direct when asked about any attempt to explain the conditions as poverty.
You can be poor and not have things and not neglect or abuse your kids. So it's not a dependency and neglect issue. It is clearly it's a criminal issue.
Wilson says the children are now top priority, and that means making sure they are placed in therapeutic foster homes equipped to handle what he described as serious physical, emotional, and psychological needs. As for whether warning signs were missed, Wilson says those answers will have to come later.
When it's done, when the facts are known, when you've completed the investigation, you go back and you look at how you can do things better.
And Wilson also addressed the decision to release Gary Siders Sr. on bond, an OR bond, saying it was not ideal, but that his severe medical issues would have created major costs for Vinton County if he remained in jail. Karen Johnson, WLWT News.